Lower volume, lower grade tumors can be and should be managed differently from higher volume, high grade tumors. And focal therapy fits right into that paradigm because you don't necessarily need to do something that affects the entire prostate and cause all the side effects that go with that today in order to prevent people from dying of prostate cancer down the line. But this, with prostate cancer ablation using high-intensity focused ultrasound, is the next iteration, where instead of treating the entire prostate, now in a 2-hour non-invasive procedure, we're only treating the index tumor.
Focal One is a robotic HIFU platform designed for urologists to perform focal ablation of prostate tissue. It combines all the latest innovations in imaging, robotics, and HIFU technologies to offer a precise and user-friendly tool in the hands of the urologist. The endorectal probe and robotic positioning system are unique to Focal One. The probe features a dedicated ultrasound imaging transducer, allowing real-time imaging at any point during the procedure. The HIFU transducer around it incorporates proprietary dynamic focusing technology for pinpoint precision of ultrasound energy. All movements are robotically controlled with 5 degrees of freedom, and the system auto-adjusts in real time for the position of the rectum. The HIFU procedure is performed in an outpatient setting. The patient is placed on a standard OR table in a lateral decubitus position under general or spinal anesthesia. First, the probe is manually inserted into the rectum by the physician. The system will then automatically acquire a 3D ultrasound volume of the prostate. This high-resolution image allows visualization of critical structures. The operator can seamlessly import diagnostic images, such as MRI and 3D biopsies from various platforms. These volumes are then registered with the real-time ultrasound using a proprietary elastic fusion algorithm called HIFusion. The yellow target area defined on the MRI is automatically overlaid at the right position on the real-time ultrasound image and will be used as a visual guide to plan the treatment. The urologist then precisely defines the upper and lower limits of the treatment zone. The computerized system creates virtual slices every 1.7 millimeters to cover the whole ablation area. For each individual slice, the operator shapes the contour of the target to provide a safety margin around the lesion while avoiding critical structures. The Focal One robotic system will execute the plan, controlling and readjusting automatically before each individual pulse of HIFU energy. During the process, the urologist maintains control and monitors the ablation through real-time visualization. They can pause and readjust the plan at any time. As shown here, the area ablated can be clearly visible on imaging, highlighting that the critical structures of the prostate are spared, minimizing the risk of side effects such as incontinence and erectile dysfunction. Once the procedure is complete, the patient is sent home the same day with a catheter and can rapidly resume normal activities.
This is the next iteration of the way we're going to treat prostate cancer, and it's like robotic surgery was 20 years ago. You know, if you didn't sign on to robotic surgery 20 years ago, you were out of the prostate business. And if you don't have some form of focal therapy, 20 years from now, you won't be in the prostate business.
Focal One, leading prostate care with robotic focal HIFU.